face, all I see is clouds. Don't wanna choke, we go back and forth. I think about damn, that's so cool. I wrote you this letter, I ain't wanna tape, so I made it a sound. You wanna start knowing you wrong, but you still want a portion of green. We'll let you. Changing the topic, I feel like you talking to another man. Maybe I'm wrong, let me fall back if I keep it a buck. It was part of the plan. I don't wanna loot it, writing this song. You fucking with niggas who move like me. Don't wanna choke, we go back and forth. I think about you when I start feeling down. That's so cool, I wrote you this letter, I ain't wanna take, so I made it a sound.
What's the word? It's your boy Shawnee G30 and we back with another video. As I told y'all boys before, I don't know if I'm gonna keep doing these POVs, but I need some Zaza. So I said, why not take my lovely fan base of 853 subscribers and let's go for a fucking night drive. Now, this is, oh my God. I should have white lined right this. I should have white lined this, right? Hold on. Botanist, who's this? What's this? This some whack shit. Like, nigga put a bump on it. Oh. Oh. Anyways, what's the word, YouTube? It's your boy Shawnee G30. Welcome back to another POV video. Well, not really another one. This is technically my first on this channel as a full video. So if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Today seems like we have some competition. Oh, I said competition. This is not an M competition, this is a base model. Damn, I'm busting. Y'all hit, nah, my shit is busting. Look, I got niggas acting up. Yo, this shit sound crazy. I don't know, sometimes like, I don't even like cutting up. I just like hearing my burbles, cause sometimes I be forgetting how loud and beautiful these shit sound, son. Like at this rate though, these niggas is doing kitty shit. Like, come on, let's go. Like, come on, bro. There's no traffic. I don't know why the fuck niggas is going fucking 30 miles per hour on the Jackie. Back up. Nigga trying to pull up on my side. Back the fuck up. If I had flames, I'd be busting them shits out right now. Yo, come on, nah. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not jacking this. Niggas is over here brake checking niggas. Come on. I'm a little impatient. I'm a little impatient because I'm sober right now, so y'all might get crash out Shawnee. Nah. Yo, I hate driving on a Jackie only because of these high beams on this left lane, bro. Like, I could have did some wacky shit just here. But if you guys are liking the video, like, comment, subscribe. My mother just called me and this nigga pulled up, caught me lacking. He cut me off. So, if he takes this turn onto the GCP, we're gonna teach him why the fuck there's a fucking 40 behind this shit, nigga. B fucking 58. Stage 2, nigga. I gotta stop cursing, I ain't gonna lie. I be forgetting YouTube doesn't allow all that hoodlum shit, so it's okay. I'm not even monetized, so don't gotta worry about that right now. Oh, we all going on the GCP. Okay. Don't mind if I do. Oh, he's on his bumper. Get on his bumper. Yeah, get on that nigga bumper. I ain't gonna lie to you though, I do gotta be careful. I do gotta be careful because this is technically my first time cutting up for real with my traction control completely off. I don't usually take that shit off, I just keep that shit on. Something smell like it's burning, what the fuck? Some shit smell like it's burning. It's not me, right? Nice. Take it, take it, take it. Who's flashing me, bro? Yo, I always assume that if somebody's flashing me and they're an NPC, I don't know why, I just feel like they probably know something that I don't know. Like, maybe there's a cop ahead. I don't fucking know. Oh, he's cutting up. A big ass drop. Oh shit, I got guests, I got company. I got company. Yo, what car is that? Is that a Mazda? Like, why is this like, this is New York right here. Like, I don't want to cut up with you, gang, respectfully. Fuck out my way, Tesla. Tesla fucking K. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. My shit pulling right now. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, they got me. They got me. He pulling out? He pulling out. Oh, we out. Come on. Let me do that. Let me do that. Oh. Let me through there. Let me through there. Come on. Go in front of me, nigga. What the fuck is that? That's a bad V right there. I don't even know what that is. That's bad V's. Word to, bro. That's a Beamer? That's a Beamer. I can tell by the taillights. Yo, niggas get custom plates. Oh, he almost magged him. Nah, he can't drive. He don't got driving mod. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know this nigga. Let me back up. I don't know this nigga. And he cannot drive. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Yeah, stay the fuck away from me. Hold on. If you know, you know. If you know, you know what this means. If you know, you know. That shit start hurting my ears. Word to. Weirdly enough, I feel like my shit don't burble at certain speeds. I think I gotta change that in my MHD settings. So yeah, we're gonna get that fucking fixed. Cause I don't like how I was just doing like 90 and I'm not hearing nothing. Like you hear that? I'm throwing, hold on. I'm throwing. Right now, I ain't gonna lie to y'all niggas. Where I go? Oh, I went the wrong way. Wait, where I go? I'm about to do the intersection. Wait, nah, that ass? I don't know where I'm going. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know where I'm at, but shit fake look calm over here. Oh, I was going the right way. I'm supposed to go that way. So why the fuck it just told me to do all that weird shit? Oh nah, oh nah, I ain't gonna lie. Let me chill out. Let me chill out. I don't know why the fuck I felt like I was spinning, cause this is X Drive. I don't know why the fuck I thought I was spinning just now. Oh my god. Well, y'all, we getting real close to my destination, and I ain't giving up my butt, man. We getting real close to the destination. But if you like this video, once again, if you like this video, if you want more content like this, like, comment, subscribe, share the video with your friends. I'm letting y'all know right now, I need to see the support on this video specifically. This video get enough comments, likes, whatever the fuck, I will continue doing these. I'm only hesitant on doing them because I don't want to be that nigga. I ain't gonna lie, there's too many niggas doing POV content. Too many niggas out here trying to be squeeze bands. I ain't trying to be squeeze bands. Y'all seen me just now. I'm real conservative with my cutting up. You heard? Cutting up is not good, guys. Like, don't be a criminal. Don't follow license. Don't follow squeeze bands. Don't follow none of these guys, okay? Because you know where you're gonna fucking end up? Jail. Anywho, I'm gonna get back to you guys once I'm fucking high.
Press 1 for more options.
I saw with your friends, you getting drunk, but they wanna chat every time I'm around. I say you my bitch, but you wanna act. I look at your face, all I see is a clown. Don't wanna talk, we go back and forth. I think about you when I start feeling down. That's so cool, I wrote you this letter, I ain't wanna type, so I made it a sound.